Hello, my name is Carla Pease, and as you can see from this pile of rubble right over here, I like to take parts from old drones, laptops, computers, that type of thing, and I like to repurpose them for something new. So we've been learning these types of life skills in our MATLAB class, and one of the things that we've been learning lately is circuits. And we've lately had the chance to take a circuit kit home, and this little device over here in the bottom left, that is what we created. And what I like to do in this video is to give you a brief introduction to circuits, how I made mine, and my favorite part of this circuit kit. Alright, so this is my final circuit kit. So everything starts off with the power supply right over here. These two batteries power with 1.5 volts each to the entire circuit. So this means that there's 3 volts powering the circuit all the way through. Alright, so as we go from this, the positive part of this battery, we go to the next mechanism right over here, which I really love. It's called a knife switch, mainly because this looks kind of like a knife. Right, but if we turn it over, you can see that there's a metal part over there. As the charges from this battery go from over here, it goes to this point, travels from this metal screw over to this metal screw, and then it goes out this point. Alright, so as soon as this metal touches, bang, we have light. Alright, so we have this metal part connecting to this other metal part, which is able to complete the flow through the entire circuit. Alright, so as we go from out here, go to the next wire, we go to this light bulb station, as I like to call it. If we look a little closer, we can see that the wire, the charges would be coming from this wire over here, through this metal, and then into the light bulb. As it passes through the light bulb gives off light energy and also heat energy. It's a little faint, but there is a little bit of heat traveling from this light bulb. As it passes through this light bulb, it loses a little bit of energy, which this phenomenon being called voltage drop. And as we exit out of this light bulb and move on, as the charges move on into the next light bulb, if you couldn't see already, we compare these two. This light bulb is a little dimmer than this one, and this is due to something, to the phenomenon that I just previously named, voltage drop. And that is one really cool concept that I learned from my engineering class. As we go from this light bulb, we go back, we complete the circuit, and now everything is able to run completely, able to finish the circuit. So I hope you liked my explanation of this circuit, and I hope you learned something from it as well. Have a good day.